So what up, girls? Where you guys heading to?
Well, we're gonna wait to see. Cause you show up for class today.
Hold on. You were going to my house to check up on me because I didn't come to class.
Yes, of course.
It's unusual for you to miss class.
We're friends.
I'm so glad I met you guys because I told everybody in there that I went for classes, and you guys would have ditched me into hot trouble.
Wait. You lied you were going to class.
Yeah.
You went somewhere else.
Yeah, how did that start to do?
Come on. Tell us about it.
You know, some things are actually meant for men, you know.
Men.
Yeah.
Lloyd. Aku. He's fine. I think we should get
Yes.
Yeah. Guess what, girlfriend? I'm blocking you ASAP.
You've been blocked.
Blocked! Whoop.
No, I'm sorry. I don't give my number to strangers.